Hi everyone, this is Chris from Big Road Freight again, and today we're going to talk about the Post My Truck feature. We often talk about putting you back in the driver's seat, but this is the feature that really does it. If you're trying to ensure that loads come to you, this is how you do it. You access Post My Truck, it's the third tab on your application. And once you're there, you can enter in your pickup location and the drop-off location. So let's say you're currently in Toronto and you want loads going into Illinois. You go to Toronto and then you type in Illinois. Now, we can go a step further and look at some of the advanced options. We can go to when you're available and when you're not going to be available anymore. How much deadhead you're willing to do out of Toronto. Now, be careful with deadhead because you don't want to put just a city and the deadhead miles around that city in most cases. You're probably going to want to instead put the address or location that's nearby you, because then we ensure that it's only the deadhead around you, not around this city. And then you want to put in your per mile rate, the per mile rate you're looking for. Again, if you've already put some of this information into your preferences in the settings page, if you have already indicated what your preferred per mile rate is, if you've already indicated what your preferred equipment is, then the system will begin with those options already pre-filled. But if you haven't entered that in before, this is an opportunity to enter it in, or if you have entered it in, it's an opportunity to change it. Now, once you post, that truck posting is going to be added to the list of truck postings, and you're able to look at all of those on the Post My Truck page. Let's go back there. We can see any of these available, and we can look at any of the details about them. And if we like, we can click this button here, and we can delete them if they're no longer needed. So that's Post My Truck. That's what's going to make sure that the loads come to you, not the other way around. And it's probably one of the best ways to get started with Big Road Freight. Hope you enjoy it.